Hey Capricorn, how's it going, my loves? So this is Monica back with your May reading. I'm sorry I'm getting it out late this month. Alright, loves, let me go ahead and get going for you guys. If anybody needs a reading this month, my readings are only $25 for the rest of the month. Let me go ahead and get started here. You guys can email me at intuitivesoul2978@outlook.com for an appointment. Alright, loves, so I went back to the other readings, the other style of readings that I had, because people like them better that way. So let me know in the comments how you guys feel about this one. This is the original one I started with. So the lesson for you, I'm doing it side by side, you and your person. Yours is abundance. I'm a limitless being and I can manifest whatever I desire in this physical reality. Wow, Cappy, that's a great one. That's a great card to get. So that's for you. Your current lesson. Let's see for your person what their current lesson is in the relationship. Okay, for Capricorn's person, happiness. I am aware that being happy means that I'm on the right path. So this one's for your person. Nice. And for you, Capricorn, what you're thinking or feeling about the relationship. Remember, this is a general, it's not going to resonate with everybody. For my Cappies. Woo! Damn, Capricorn, you got another abundance card. That's great, my loves. This one says abundance. Keep a positive mindset. Manifest exactly what you want. And gratitude and bliss. Jeez, Cappy. What are you doing? Let me know. What's your secret sauce, baby? I gotta know. That is so great. Alright. Woo! For your person. They got the golden mirror. Self-absorbed, narcissist, one-sided relationship, love bombing. So your person is struggling right now, Cap. I'm feeling like your person might be a little bit you may be dealing with somebody who deals with jealousy issues or insecurity issues, my loves. Let me go ahead and see. So this is perception, right? Let's go ahead and get into what Spirit says with the romance angels. I'm definitely getting that. Here we go, Capricorn. Pay attention to the red flags, babe. The signs are cautioning you. I feel like somebody may be a little bit jealous of your happiness or of your abundance. That's not cool. Okay, for your person. Remember, energies can be reversed. Cross watchers. Very soon. Clearly decide what you want so that it comes to you now. That's for your person. Okay. And to help or to heal the relationship, these are going to be the next cards. To help or heal the relationship, what can Capricorn do? Alright, Cap, you got choose love. You always have a choice. Make yours with love. Make it from the heart. Always listen to your intuition as well. What it's telling you. Alright, for your person. For the person Capricorn is dealing with. Be authentic. Be real and true to who you are and how you feel. That's for your person. So, some situations for you and your person, my loves, for May into June. From now until the next 30 days, over the next 30 days for Capricorn, please, Spirit. What does it look like for them? Sorry, my window's open, you guys. The Serpentine Path to Power, Snake Princess. The Serpentine Path to Power. Interesting. Very interesting card you're getting, Capricorn. I don't know why I'm getting this, but some of you might be dealing with a Scorpio. For the person that Capricorn is dealing with. That's a lot of freaking reptiles right here. Frog Princess, heed wise counsel and listen. And they got Quetzalcoatl and the Princess of Time. The time has come. The time to act is now. I feel like your person is going to have to make some kind of decision, or they're being forced into a decision, especially with clearly decide what you want so that it comes to you now, and then the Frog Princess, and then the Priestess of Time. Your person may view you as being self-absorbed because of all these good things that are happening to you right now, Capricorn. But their lesson is on finding happiness within themselves. Alright. I feel, Capricorn, like when it comes to business, you might be dealing with someone that's a snake. Especially because this is the path to power there. The serpentine path to power, and there's a big ass snake that wants to take a bite of that apple, that shiny red apple. Be careful about the offers that you're getting with work, because you might be dealing with somebody who's trying to snake you, trying to go behind your back or something, or take what's yours. Or somebody may be just trying to take what's yours, Capricorn. Oh no, not too fond of that card there. It just looks all hella shady. Okay, let's see here. Let's see what else we get for you guys, my loves. Alright. So, I'm going to pull now through the signs and see how each sign feels, depending on whoever you're dealing with. Okay, my loves? So, those of you guys dealing with an Aries. Aries wants equal give and take. They want balance in the relationship. Taurus, the Hierophant in reverse. So Taurus likes things the way that they are. They'd rather have, they're not looking for no long-term commitment. Okay, with Taurus. Gemini, death, it's over. They want change or they're gone. Cancer, Six of Cups. Cancer, it looks like Cancer, if you're not their person from the past, a soulmate, they're going to be going back to a person who's their soulmate, who's from the past. Leo wants the truth. They want success. They want a victory with you. Virgo's hurt. Virgo's really hurt right now. They're trying to heal. Virgo feels betrayed. What's after Virgo? Libra. Nine of Swords in the reverse. This person's getting over feeling all devastated. They could have been feeling guilty, feeling ashamed, feeling in a depression in the past. That's for Libra. They may have been in a dark place in the recent past, but they're coming out of that. That was for Libra. Excuse me, who's after Libra? We have Scorpio. Scorpio, they want balance, they want healing, they want reciprocity, they want to work with you. Others, they're dealing with Sagittarius, Queen of Cups in the reverse. They're very detached. This person could be unfaithful. They could lack empathy. But this person doesn't have a whole lot of heart for this situation here. For Cappies dealing with Cappies, we got Knight of Cups. This person wants to come in, apologize, make some kind of romantic gesture, or just offer their heart on their sleeve, Capricorn. Those of you guys dealing with an Aquarius. Aquarius feels that this is very burdensome. It's taking too much work, too much energy, too much time. They feel like they're carrying the whole load in the relationship. Those of you guys dealing with the Pisces. Pisces feels like it's over, or that you guys need a break. Let me count these real quick, make sure I got them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes, we did. Alright, so let me set these aside. And let's go ahead and pull out the Witch's Tarot and see what May into June looks like. May to June, please, Spirit. May to June for my Cappies. May to June for Capricorn. May to June for Capricorn. What does it look like with their person that they're dealing with? Let me see here. Alright, let's go ahead and get this. Let's get out of Capricorn. For Capricorn, please. What does May to June look like? Five of Swords in the reverse. So that's coming out of conflict. That's somebody walking away from like total bullshit. fights, arguments, dilemmas, problems, other people being involved, any kind of conflict. You're walking away from it. You're overcoming it. You're not dealing with it. Oh, I got a flyer here. Four of Swords. You're walking away from somebody who's paranoid or jealous. Somebody who doesn't trust. Three of Pentacles. Three of Pentacles means collaboration, working together, building something together. In work, you're going to be doing good. Here's the Nine of Swords back again, you guys. I forgot which sign had this, but it was in the reverse. Somebody's going to be stressed out. Somebody's not feeling well. I feel like somebody might even be sick or be needing... somebody's stressed out of their mind over the relationship in May and in June. And they can't make a decision. They really, really can't. For some of you guys, just for a handful of you guys, I feel like there's a third party involved, and that's why they're having such a difficult time and acting out or overreacting, because the Three of Pentacles could also mean third party. Could be why they're acting suspicious, and with all this foolishness, somebody's having a lot of regret about the past. Somebody's hurt. Somebody's sad about the past, or something they did, or something that happened. Or this person could be upset or missing somebody from the past. Just take what resonates, leave what doesn't, you guys, okay? On the bottom of the deck, we have the Six of Wands. This means success. This means something that is assured to you, something that's guaranteed to have a positive result for you, Cappy, okay? There's going to be some kind of secret, some kind of deceit, something that's kept in the closet or something that's kept in the dark is going to come out to the light for you. You're going to know about it, okay? It is going to cause some conflict here with this other five. There's going to be a lot of change going on from May to June with this Five of Wands coming out here. And it's going to be burdensome. I'm not going to tell you that it's not. We got the Ten of Wands coming out here. Okay, it may be you that's carrying this heavy load in the relationship. Okay, with all this conflict, accusations, too many people being involved in the relationship. And then we got the Ace of Pentacles in the reverse. This is a late start, a false start, a missed opportunity. Before we continue, you guys, I would like to... How many swords do we got? 9, 10, 12, 13, 18, which is 9 again. Somebody's really stressed out here. Somebody may have depression or anxiety, or usually they come together. Some sort of mental health issues that they may need a little bit of help with. Yeah, that's 9, and then 9. We also have, let me see, we have an ace. 10, 15, 18. That's another 9. 9, 9, 9. 5, 5, 10, 6, 5, 5, 5. You guys got 3 5s. You guys are going for major transformation, major change, Capricorn. Major change here, my loves. Show me why the Three of Pentacles is here, please. I hope it's not. Let me see. The Lovers. Damn it. Tell me more about these Lovers, please. You guys, there's one too many people here. Five of Swords is what's causing these problems. The Five of Swords. There's, it does look like there is a third-party interference. It could be, you know what, third party is not always another person. It could be, well, shit, with the Lovers card coming out, yeah, in this case it is. But it could also be somebody putting another person, their friends, their family members, work ahead of the relationship. But in this case right here, it's showing me that there's a third party here involved, you guys. Tell me about the Nine of Swords, please. Yeah, Three of Pentacles in the reverse. Too many threes, too many threes. You guys are going to be going through huge, massive change. Somebody's poor judgment. They may be feeling guilty, feeling ashamed, or feeling bad. Or this could be you about going with somebody from your past, going back to somebody. Show me about the Five of Cups, please. Tell me about the Five of Cups. We got the Two of Swords. Yeah, because they couldn't make a decision. Two of Swords. Somebody who's blocking, someone's trying to hide something or pretend they don't see something or know something. Let me see. Can you guys see here? Yeah, good. Tell me about the Six of Wands, please. No matter what happens, you guys, with this person or with another person, you guys are going to turn out successful. It's going to be a success, whatever it is, whether this person comes or goes. But I feel like that's because you're abundant already. You are successful already. You're comfortable in your own skin with or without a partner. Yeah, Ace of Wands right here. Bam. Ace of Wands is a brand new start, a birth, a rebirth. It can also mean a childbirth, but I'm not getting that right here. For some of you guys will be having a child in May to June. But this right here is brand new passion. And I feel like your passion is really about your work, Capricorn. That's what I feel like the success is. Like, I'm good, I'm me, I'm going to do me. I'm going to be alright with or without. And I'm fine. This also speaks of manhood. You don't let nothing take that away from you. Yeah, you don't. You're secure in exactly who you are. That might be a little bit threatening to other people. Yeah, you're dealing with somebody who's lying, Cappy. For some of you guys, not all of you guys, okay? Look at the Queen of Swords in reverse, and this person's freaking livid when they get found out. Let me see. I'm going to leave you guys on a positive note, okay, my loves? Alright. This is going to be from Angels of Abundance, I believe. Yeah, Angels of Abundance Oracle cards. What's the message for my Capricorn, please, Spirit? Just for my Capricorn. What's a good message for my Capricorns, please? For May into June. Alright, loves, you guys got 2. Funny, I saw this card earlier. I'm telling you, you guys are all about your business. Conscious consumer and clearing debts. You have the power to heal and to help the world with your decision to buy only products and services that are ethical and environmentally friendly. As a conscious consumer, you choose to invest in fair trade and organic foods. You live simply and you purchase only that which you need. I'm telling you, you're all about your business. Clearing debts. Your self-care involves removing the heavy burden of financial and emotional debts from your life. You already feel lighter and free just by facing this topic and making a plan to clear present obligations and avoid future ones as well. Clearing debts, emotional and financial. Right on. Alright, my loves. I can't say that any better than the cards did for you guys. Those are your messages that I have for you guys. I love you. Thank you for all the support, you guys. Thank you for the likes, shares, subscribes, for the donations that allow me to get more cards and things for you guys. Love you guys so much. If anybody needs a reading, they're going to be $25 for the month of May for 30-minute readings. Okay, you guys? You can email me at intuitivesoul2978@outlook.com. Love you guys. Bye, Cappy.